Hello guys, yan, welcome sa Wholesale Product Research using Helium 10. Okay, so kung meron tayong manual method, ngayon gagamit tayo ng automate software which is yung Helium 10. Okay, so basically pupunta tayo sa Helium software, okay, or Helium 10 dashboard, and then we will go to tools. Okay, punta nyo sa tools, make sure na nyo click yung black box. Yan, okay, ito yung gagamitin natin to filter out yung mga wholesale supplier in the US. Okay? Yan. So, ito yung mga basic category niya. Okay? So, ito yung mga magiging filter natin. So, pagdating nyo sa black box, yan. So, for first time na mag-login kayo or i-open nyo yung black box, ito yung makikita nyo. So, okay? So, we have to make sure na click natin si Advanced. Yan. Okay? Yan. So, Advanced. Alright. Now, so, pili tayo ng category. Okay, so category under the pet supplies. Okay, so andyan si ang category na pipili natin ay si pet supply. Okay, yan, hanap tayo ng mga wholesaler. So, like for example, dun sa manual method, so si pet supplies ang hinanap natin. So, dito, using automate software. Okay, yan. So, susundan nyo lang to guys. Okay, sundan nyo lang tong filter na to. So, make sure na yung set price is $20 to $70. Okay, so balik tayo dito. Okay, price is 20 to 70. Okay, yan. Alright. Then, the next one is yung kanyang revenue. Okay, so, syempre, dapat kung nakakabenta siya ng 20 units per month, basically, ang kanyang revenue should be like 5,000. Okay, so 5,000 to 30,000 ang kanyang monthly revenue. Okay, 5,000 to 30,000. Okay, alright. So the next is, syempre, we still going to consider the number of sellers. Okay, syempre, we're going to select 3 to 7. And just to make sure na hindi natin masasagaraan yung mga private labels. Okay, then next one is review rating. Syempre, dapat premium or well-established ng brand. So minimum of 4 pagdating sa review rating. Okay? Minimum of 4. Yan. Alright? Okay? And then, doon lang tayo sa medyo magaan para hindi malaki yung shipping fee. So, 3 pounds to 7 pounds. Alright? And shipping size. Okay? Small standard, large standard, and small oversize. Okay? Shipping size. Okay. And then lastly, dun sa ating fulfillment, okay, so select natin si FBA and FBM. Okay? Yan. Alright. So, yan. Since kompleto na ang ating filter, we can click on search. Yan. So, hintay lang tayo ng konti. And there you go. So, ito na yung mga available na suppliers na pwede nating hanapin or i-reverse sourcing sa Google sa pet supplies. Okay? Yan. Easy as ABC. So, dito hanapin nyo na lang yung supplier natin sa Google. Okay? Okay? So, hanapin nyo lang yung mga supplier nila. And then, again, lalagay nyo lang yung result nyo or yung na-source nyo na product dun sa ating worksheet. Okay? Which is, nandito siya. Worksheet natin. Ay. Yan. Okay. That's gonna be the worksheet natin. Okay. Yan. So, online or wholesale lead template worksheet. Alright. So, lalagay nyo lang dito sa part ng Helium. Okay. Yan. Alright. So, okay. So, basically, that's it. Okay. So, that's how you do the wholesale product research using Helium 10. Okay? If you have any questions, just let me know and I'll see you on the live session. Thank you so much.